All right, on tonight's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our generative AI course, and we did start our vector databases module. Let's have a look at what we went over tonight. And tonight was just note taking. We didn't do anything in particular special. We just took notes and went over the basics of what we're going to be going over in this section, and some of the key terms and some of the features to look out for. What we're going to be going over. So I did take some light notes. I didn't want to dive too deep in it because I was still fresh with the AWS in my mind, so I wanted to play around with that. Now I went back to the AWS and I tried to start a new instance, but it told me that I was at capacity. So come to find out that every time that I was attempting to run AWS virtual machine, I was just exiting out of it when I was done, thinking that I was closing the instance when it wasn't. It was keeping all of them open. So I had about 8 instances open at once, and I tried to create a new one. It told me I was at a limit, so I had to figure out how to stop them and how to. I still haven't figured out how to delete them. I think you only get 8 in general, and then you have to use those 8 however you use them. So I had 8 of them running at once. I had to go in there and stop all 8 of them from running. So I'm going to go back in later and see if I can create a new instance now that I have all of them stopped. So that's pretty much what I did. I did some light note taking in the generative AI course. Then I went back to play with the AWS cloud virtual machine to see if I can get that simple code up and running in the cloud. So hopefully I'll have that example for you tomorrow so you can see exactly if it's working or not, and if it really was the file that I was trying to upload earlier that was the issue, which I think it is, like I said. So yeah, and we're probably gonna be taking notes for the first few days inside the generative AI. Like I said, we're in a new module, the vector databases, so it probably won't be anything spectacular for now with that. Just note taking and light reading. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. But for now, this is the Python Poppy. You guys stay Gucci.